टीजू भाई तो मिले नहीं. It's an evolution. What is going on, guys? Good morning. My name is Tanmay and you're watching Lens of Tanmay. This is probably the very first long format video on this channel, and today is a very special occasion. We are going to Marine Drive, where the Indian Air Force team is going to perform an air show, and that's what we are excited for. So I was like, I might as well, kind of vlog and try to capture some photos and videos. Also got my Sony mirrorless camera, with which I'm going to try to capture some photos and videos, and we'll try to share some POV. This is my first attempt at a proper vlog, so hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, let's go. I have my school friends with me, Darshan, Omkar and Akash, and we're all thrilled about this aerobatic show by the Indian Air Force. Alright, as usual, I'm always ahead of time. Already reached the Goregaon station waiting for my friends. By the way, I didn't know we had EV stations installed at Goregaon bus depot over here. Not sure if these EV stations actually work, because none of them are showing anything on the display. But hey, it's a good step ahead in EV infrastructure. सालो लेट आए हो?
टाइम पे एसी ट्रेन पकड़ने का टाइम पे अपन ऐसे है.
So the Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team, also known as SKAT, is a highly skilled Indian Air Force team which was formed in 1996 as a part of the 52nd Squadron of the IAF, and this team has performed numerous demonstrations and air shows. So far this team has carried out over 500 displays in 72 cities across the country, and I am definitely excited to see the performance in Mumbai. Currently flies the military trainer aircraft, which is the Hawk Mk.2 aircraft. Along with this, we also have a special fighter jet appearance, and I'm not gonna disclose the name of this mighty fighter jet, but for those who watch this video till the end, let me know in the comment if you can identify this fighter jet. All I can say is that it was insanely thrilling. And lastly, we also have a helicopter show performed by the Sarang Helicopter Display Team of the Indian Air Force. Sarang stands for Peacock in Sanskrit, and it is the national bird of India. This team was formed in 2003, and this team flies a modified HAL helicopters, also known as advanced light helicopters. Okay, so the crowd over here is crazy. I mean, it's Mumbai, so it's expected. Aaj last din hai, so a lot of people are here for the show. We're already a little bit late. I think the show must have started now. It's 12 past 5 now, and look at the crowd. It's crazy.
जिन लोगों के पास उपलब्ध नहीं है वो लोग वानखेड़े स्टेडियम पे जाएं.
So apparently only VIP people were allowed to come from this side, but we kind of got away. ये डबल डेकर EV है, electric vehicle. It's a evolution of the original BST double decker. So we reached at Marine Drive few minutes late, and the paratrooper already was in the air. But then we quickly scouted for a good spot to see the air show and shoot some photos and videos. Hope you are ready for the thrilling performance. Let's go. नहीं तो देख उस पे खड़े रह सकते अपन, वो बाजू जाते हैं थोड़ा. Alright, we got a good spot.
बेस्ट है, परफेक्ट स्पॉट है.
Super spot.
उल्टा कैसे बैठे?
वीडियो लिया मैंने प्रॉपरली।
ऊपर से गया
नहीं वीडियो नहीं आया। अबे कितना फास्ट गया, मैं उधर ही देख रहा था उसको। हाँ क्या ठोक ही दिया था क्या? Sarang is the peacock only. Sarang means peacock only. दर्शन हाथ नीचे ले।
उसको भी तुरंत कर देना चाहिए था, ये दूर हटो, लेकिन बुढ़ा भी ना।
आप नंबर ले लो ना मेरा, मतलब बाद में व्हाट्सएप पे आई शेयर द लिंक। काय हाँ मना थाली ला
व्हाट्सएप पर मैसेज
500 का एक 500 का एक 500 का एक।
ऐसे देखो फोटो देने बोला क्या?
ऑल राइट गाइज, सो द एयर शो इज़ डन। अभी हम लोग थोड़ा लंच करने जा रहे हैं एट अ प्लेस रिकमेंडेड बाय आकाश। द प्लेस नेम इज सबको, प्रीटी फेमस इन चर्च गेट,
सब जगह पे
है ना?
सब जगह पे we have it in Bandra, there's one in Kolaba. Where else, Akash? I guess one in Khar.
Kolaba, there's two outlets. One is at Kitab Khana and the other one is in Kolaba Causeway, which is known for their coffees and beans. It's called Sabko Cacao.
So फिर वहाँ से लंच करके we'll probably do a little bit of sightseeing and shopping and then move ahead. The air show was superb. I mean, crazy shit. The vibe, the people, the crowd, the support बहुत amazing था. And the maneuvers, the flight maneuvers, the helicopters, the different stunts they did, it was insane. मतलब to see it with your own eyes, it was just visually stunning.
We enjoyed a lot, and of course you must have seen some footage and some photos. Crazy shit, man, crazy. I mean, hats off to Indian Air Force and the Suryakiran team and the Sarang team of helicopters. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how this video was, and if you're interested in such kind of vlogs and day vlogs, travel vlogs, where we go outdoors, do some photography, videography. So today was like a street photography with a specialty of the air show. So hope you guys enjoyed.